Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft app on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on it. Then go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on apps right here. Then here you go, you have all apps in your PC right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down and make sure you locate Microsoft apps that you want to uninstall from your Windows PC. So you have to keep on searching for the app that you want to uninstall. Like for instance, this window app folder organizer right here. So this window folder organizer is a Microsoft Corporation app. So I'm going to click on it. Then you have uninstall options right here. Go ahead and click on uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click on uninstall. And in a few seconds, you can see uninstall properly. So once allow everything to completely uninstall. Once it's done, you are completely remove Microsoft app on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.